Want to connect your iPhone to your Windows computer? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to pair your iPhone with Phone Link step by step. We'll go through the setup process, connect both devices using Bluetooth, enable the required permissions, and make sure everything is working properly. So let's get started. First, open the Phone Link app on your Windows computer. If you don't see it, open the Start menu, search for Phone Link, and launch the application. When the app opens, choose the iPhone option. Phone Link will prepare the setup process and display the pairing instructions you'll need to follow. Before pairing your devices, make sure Bluetooth is turned on for both your Windows computer and your iPhone. Phone Link uses Bluetooth to establish the connection during setup. Phone Link will display a pairing code on your computer. On your iPhone, follow the prompts to pair with your Windows PC, then confirm that the pairing codes match on both devices. Accept the connection request to complete the pairing process. After your iPhone is connected, allow the permissions requested by Phone Link. Depending on your device and iOS version, you may need to enable access for notifications, contacts, messages, and Bluetooth features to get the best experience. This only takes a minute. Return to your Windows computer and wait while Phone Link finishes syncing. Once connected, you'll be able to view notifications, send and receive iMessages through Phone Link where supported, make and receive calls, and monitor your connection status from your PC. It's a simple way to stay connected while you're working, and that's how you connect your iPhone to Phone Link on Windows. Once the setup is complete, you'll have quick access to important phone features without leaving your computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows, iPhone, and technology tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.